Looking for the latest Amazon gadgets that are actually worth buying? Every year, hundreds of new products hit the market, but only a few truly stand out with smart features and practical designs. In this video, we've rounded up 30 brand new Amazon gadgets that can make everyday life easier, smarter, and a lot more fun. From innovative tech and travel gear to clever home essentials and productivity tools, there's something here for everyone. All the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Now let's jump straight into the countdown.
Traveling internationally? Don't pack a bag full of chargers. This 200-watt GAN universal travel adapter lets you power up to 5 devices at the same time, making it the perfect companion for business trips and vacations. With 100-watt USB-C fast charging, it can charge a MacBook Pro up to 50% in just 28 minutes, while the intelligent HD display shows real-time power output, temperature, charging status, and other useful information with a simple touch. Compatible with over 200 countries, it includes interchangeable US, UK, EU, and AU plugs, so you're ready almost anywhere in the world. Plus, dual fuses and 8 built-in safety protections keep all your devices safe while charging. If you're looking for one charger that can handle all your travel essentials, this 200-watt GAN universal travel adapter is a must-have gadget.
Running out of battery while traveling or camping is the last thing you want. That's where this 24,000 mAh solar power bank comes in. With enough capacity to charge your smartphone up to 8 to 10 times, it's built for road trips, camping, hiking, and emergency situations. The integrated solar panel provides backup charging when you're away from power outlets, while the 18-watt USB-C power delivery port quickly charges phones, tablets, and other essential devices. You can even charge up to 3 devices at the same time. Built with an IP66 waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof design, it's tough enough to handle harsh outdoor conditions. Plus, the built-in LED flashlight makes it even more useful during camping trips or unexpected power outages. If you need reliable, portable power wherever you go, this 24,000 mAh solar power bank is a gadget you'll be glad to have. Want to look more professional on every video call? This LED video conference light instantly upgrades your lighting with 5 color temperatures and 5 brightness levels, so you always look clear and well lit, whether you're working, streaming, or creating content. Its ring light design produces soft, flattering light that reduces harsh shadows and helps you look your best on Zoom meetings, YouTube videos, TikTok, or live streams. The included strong clip securely attaches to your laptop or monitor, while the flexible mini tripod lets you place it on your desk or anywhere you need. Since it's USB-powered, simply plug it into your laptop, power bank, or USB charger. No batteries required. Compact, portable, and incredibly easy to use, this LED video conference light is a simple upgrade that makes every video call look more professional. Don't let its tiny size fool you. This mini air pump packs some serious power. Weighing just 122 grams, this portable, rechargeable hair pump can quickly inflate or deflate air mattresses, pool floats, vacuum storage bags, and other inflatables wherever you go. With 2 adjustable pressure modes and a powerful 500 liter per minute airflow, it gets the job done in seconds, while the built-in rechargeable battery means you don't need power outlets or bulky equipment. It also features 3 lighting modes, so it doubles as a handy camping light for nighttime adventures. And thanks to the included 6 interchangeable nozzles, one compact gadget is all you need for a wide variety of inflation tasks. Whether you're camping, traveling, or saving space at home, this portable air pump is a small gadget that delivers big convenience. If your wrist hurts after hours of using a mouse, this gadget could make a huge difference. This ergonomic vertical mouse is designed with a natural handshake grip that keeps your wrist in a more comfortable position, helping reduce strain during long work sessions. It can connect to 3 devices at once using Bluetooth or the included 2.4 GHz USB receiver, making it easy to switch between your laptop, tablet, and desktop with a single click. The silent buttons are perfect for offices and shared workspaces, while adjustable DPI settings provide smooth and precise control for everything from everyday tasks to creative work. It even features built-in media controls for adjusting music and playback without leaving your workflow. With a USB-C rechargeable battery that lasts up to 2 months per charge and support for Windows, macOS, iPad, Android, and Chrome OS, it's a smart productivity upgrade for any workspace. Sore muscles after a workout or a long day? The Chirp RPM Mini Rolling Percussive Massager is a compact recovery tool designed to help relieve muscle tension anytime, anywhere. Combining deep tissue percussion with a unique rolling massage action, it targets tight muscles more effectively than traditional massage tools. Its portable, ergonomic design makes it easy to use on your neck, shoulders, back, arms, and legs, helping improve circulation and reduce post-workout soreness in just a few minutes. Lightweight and travel-friendly, it's perfect for athletes, gym enthusiasts, office workers, or anyone looking for quick muscle relief without booking a massage appointment. If you want a simple way to recover faster and feel refreshed every day, the Chirp RPM Mini Rolling Percussive Massager is definitely worth adding to your routine. Wish your phone had a bigger screen without spending hundreds on a tablet? This 12-inch 3D screen magnifier instantly enlarges your smartphone display up to 3 times, making movies, videos, and games much more enjoyable. The HD magnifying lens helps reduce eye strain during long viewing sessions, while the foldable design makes it easy to carry in your backpack, suitcase, or even a large pocket. It works with most iPhones and Android smartphones, and the adjustable stand lets you find the perfect viewing angle whether you're at home, traveling, camping, or relaxing outdoors. Lightweight, portable, and incredibly simple to use, this gadget gives you a larger viewing experience anytime, anywhere, without batteries or a complicated setup. If you love watching content on your phone, this 12-inch 3D screen magnifier is an affordable upgrade that's definitely worth checking. What if your phone stand could stick almost anywhere? Meet this magnetic dual-axis phone mount, a compact gadget that's built for ultimate flexibility. With a 360-degree rotating ball joint and dual-axis design, you can tilt, rotate, and position your phone at virtually any angle for watching videos, video calls, or hands-free navigation. Its powerful magnetic system securely attaches to metal surfaces like your fridge, gym equipment, desk, or even your car, keeping your phone firmly in place wherever you need it. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum, it's lightweight, durable, and designed to withstand years of daily use. It even includes interchangeable magnetic rings, making it compatible with both MagSafe iPhones and Android devices. Whether you're following a recipe, recording content, or streaming your favorite shows, this magnetic phone mount makes hands-free use easier than ever. Bad lighting can ruin even the best camera, but this pocket-sized LED light fixes that instantly. Designed for content creators, video calls, and selfies, this portable LED fill light delivers professional quality lighting with an impressive CRI 97+, giving your skin a natural, studio-like glow. Choose between 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels to get the perfect lighting for TikTok, YouTube, Zoom meetings, photography, or live streaming, day or night. The 160-degree adjustable light panel lets you direct the light exactly where you need it, while the universal clip and mounting options make it compatible with phones, laptops, cameras, tripods, and tablets. Despite weighing just 95 grams, it packs a 2200 mAh rechargeable battery that lasts up to 15 hours on a single charge, making it the perfect lighting companion wherever you go. If you want your videos and photos to look instantly more professional, this compact LED light is a must-have gadget. Struggling to open stubborn jars and bottles? This 7-in-1 jar opener makes it almost effortless. Designed with a smart lever system and adjustable gripping jaws, it reduces the amount of hand strength needed by up to 80%, making it perfect for seniors or anyone with weak grip strength. Instead of filling your drawer with multiple tools, this single gadget opens jars, bottles, cans, ring pull tabs, vacuum-sealed lids, and even wine corks, all in one compact design. Made with durable stainless steel gears and a lightweight BPA-free body, it's built to handle everyday kitchen tasks while remaining comfortable to use. Plus, the built-in magnet lets you store it right on your refrigerator, so it's always within easy reach. If you've ever struggled with a tight lid, this 7-in-1 jar opener is one kitchen gadget you'll be glad to have. Ever wish you could use your phone's rear camera for perfect selfies and vlogs? This 3.5-inch camera monitor makes it possible by giving you a real-time preview while using your phone's high-quality rear camera. Just plug it into a compatible USB-C iPhone or Android device. No batteries or charging required. The high-resolution touchscreen mirrors your phone's display, making it easy to frame every shot with precision, whether you're creating content, taking group photos, or filming in 4K. It also features a built-in adjustable fill light with multiple brightness levels to help you look your best, even in low light conditions. When you're done, the premium protective cover keeps the screen safe and neatly stores the cable. If you're serious about selfies, vlogging, or mobile content creation, this clever gadget helps you capture professional-looking shots every time. Want to completely transform the vibe of your room with a single gadget? This Govee Smart RGBIC floor lamp delivers stunning, customizable lighting that instantly upgrades any space. With separate lighting zones for the lamp and the base, you can create unique color combinations, smooth gradients, and eye-catching effects. It produces up to 1,725 lumens of brightness and lets you switch between warm and cool white light, making it perfect for reading, working, gaming, or relaxing. Using the Govee Home app or voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, you can control colors, brightness, schedules, and choose from 80+ preset lighting scenes. It even syncs with your music to create immersive lighting effects for parties or movie nights. If you're looking for a smart lighting upgrade that adds both style and functionality, this Govee Smart RGBIC floor lamp is definitely worth checking out. Imagine a notebook that listens, writes, and even thinks with you. Meet the iFlytek A-Note Air 2, an AI-powered digital notebook that can record meetings, convert speech into text in real time, and automatically generate smart summaries, so you never miss an important detail. Its 8.2-inch paper-like e-ink display feels just like writing on real paper, while AI organizes your notes, creates to-do lists, and even helps you draft content. It also supports 17-language voice transcription and 83-language handwriting recognition, making it perfect for work, study, and travel. With 7-day battery life, 32 gigabytes of storage, and 100 gigabytes of cloud space, this isn't just a notebook, it's your personal AI assistant for productivity. Imagine recording a meeting and getting instant AI notes without paying a monthly subscription. That's exactly what the PR1 AI voice recorder does. It transcribes conversations directly on the device, supports over 70 transcription languages, and keeps your recordings completely private with no cloud uploads. Its built-in AI can automatically generate meeting summaries, mind maps, translations, and to-do lists, helping you turn hours of audio into organized notes in seconds. You can even ask questions about your recordings using integrated AI. The 3.99-inch touchscreen, 17-hour recording battery, and professional 5-microphone noise-canceling system ensure crystal-clear recordings, whether you're in a meeting, classroom, or interview. With real-time translation in over 150 languages and powerful offline AI features, the PR1 AI voice recorder is like carrying a personal meeting assistant right in your... What if one wearable could track your health 24/7 without distracting you with notifications? Meet the Whoop MG, a screen-free fitness and health tracker designed to help you understand your body like never before. It continuously monitors your heart rate, sleep, recovery, stress levels, VO2 max, and daily activity, giving you personalized insights to improve your performance and overall well-being. It can even perform an on-demand ECG from your wrist and alert you to signs of irregular heart rhythms, while also providing daily blood pressure estimates. With an impressive 14+ day battery life and a waterproof design, you can wear it day and night without interruption. If you're serious about optimizing your health, recovery, and fitness, the Whoop MG is one of the smartest wearable devices available today.
Ready to turn any place into a karaoke party? This portable karaoke machine packs a powerful 460-watt peak speaker, delivering loud, clear sound with deep bass and crisp vocals that's perfect for house parties, outdoor events, or family gatherings. It comes with 2 wireless microphones that automatically connect and recharge inside the speaker, making duets effortless. Plus, each microphone has its own controls and fun voice effects to keep everyone entertained. With 9 different connection options, including Bluetooth, HDMI, USB, TF card, aux, and guitar input, you can easily play music, display lyrics on your TV, or even perform like you're on stage. Add in dynamic LED light effects, up to 6 hours of playtime, and a portable design with a shoulder strap, and you've got an all-in-one entertainment system that's ready for any party.
Imagine carrying a power bank that's almost as slim as your phone. This 10,000 mAh Qi 2 MagSafe power bank snaps securely onto the back of your iPhone, delivering 15-watt wireless charging without the hassle of cables. Need even more speed? The 27-watt USB-C fast charging port can charge an iPhone 16 Pro Max to nearly 50% in just 30 minutes, making it perfect for busy days and travel. Despite its ultra-thin design, the 10,000 mAh battery provides enough power to keep your phone going all day, while the super strong magnetic attachment keeps it firmly in place, even while you're on the move. Built with a durable aluminum body for better heat dissipation and long-lasting performance, this is one of the most compact and convenient portable chargers for everyday use.